Coach Tony, over 50 men's fitness. I've got a good one for you today, so listen close because I'm going to be dropping some jewels and I don't want you to miss out on the implications of what I'm about to tell you. First off, after 50, you have key skills that start to slip. Your balance gets shaky, your right and left coordination dulls, reflexes slow down, timing goes off beat, and your hand and eye accuracy is beginning to fade. And a big reason why is you have slower nerve signaling and processing. On top of that, many men over 50 have deconditioned ankle and hip stabilizers and a less sensitive vestibular system, which that vestibular system is your inner ear balance. Also, as we age, we practice fast rhythmic tasks less. And see, the solution is the Speedbag, because the Speedbag trains all 5 of these at once with low impact. You see, the balance, every rebound forces subtle weight shifts and upright posture, retraining ankle and core stability. For coordination, alternating strikes resync your right and left side coordination through a steady rhythm. Your reflexes, there's quick rebounds that demand instant micro corrections. You miss, then you recover, and you hit it again. Sharpening your reaction speed. You see, also, it helps with the timing because there's a repeatable 3-beat pattern. Hit, rebound, hit. This rebuilds precise, predictive timing. On top of that, you have hand and eye coordination, and that is because you're tracking a small, fast target, and it helps tighten your visual focus, and it restores clean, accurate contact and helps with your depth perception. The result is a smarter, safe way to train that helps reverse age-related slippage and brings your movement back under control. Now, I hope you got some good tips from this short video. I'd appreciate it if you would like, share, comment, subscribe. This is Coach Tony, over 50 Men's Fitness, signing off. I'll see you on the next one.